This is such a bad idea.
This is a great idea. It's not gonna hurt anybody. They're all gonna fly straight and true like honey. Alright, ready?
Wait, Doug, are you gonna
Doug, are you
here?
recording?
Alright. Here we go.
Oh, shit. They all fucking.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, there's one. That's frustrating. Oh, yeah. We're making new ones. We're making more. We're making more. I feel
Did you throw all of them off there?
Yeah.
All three?
All three of them.
Oh man.
Yours was on top of mine. Like
It was
I had
doing
it mounted.
an aerial deployment.